Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be filming something that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and I feel that it's needed. So today we're going to be filming my everyday foundation routine, but today is very specific to affordable products and drugstore products and products that I recommend from the bottom of my heart. I'm going to be focusing today on just skin. I want to take you guys through basic steps on how to achieve this flawless, well, I think it's flawless, but this flawless foundation routine. And this is one that I use for work specifically, but that I use also for school, for just going out, and just those lazy days where you just want to put on something really quick and just get out of the house so that you look presentable. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this foundation routine on my face right now, then before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Rebecca and you are here on my channel, and this is the Risky Fam. So welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for following along. It means the world to me. So before I get emotional, let's just get right into this tutorial. Okay, you guys, so let's get right into this tutorial. Today is all about the face. I really wanted to sit down and do a foundation routine for you guys that I use almost every day, if not every day, for work, for mostly work, but for work, school, and honestly just my lazy days that I don't feel like doing much, but I want to look put together and glammed up. So let's get right into this. All the products that I'm using today are actually drugstore and affordable products. I promise you, they are all, every single last one of them are from the drugstore. So the first thing we're gonna do today to get our face ready is a really important step for almost like an everyday routine, and that is a moisturizer. I've used this one in a few of my videos prior to this, and honestly I love it. I'm actually almost out of it. I even got my boyfriend on this moisturizer, so if that means anything. So I'm gonna be using today my St. Ives Timeless Skin moisturizer, and this is what it looks like. So that's it right there. So we're just gonna take a little bit and we're gonna put it all over our face just to get our face nice and glowy and moisturized. And this is a really key step for a nice base, especially when you're wearing it all day, every day. You really want to keep your skin nice and moisturized. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do, I wasn't sure if I should include this, but I was like, you know what, let's do it because I really like to have really nice glowy skin. So one of the things that I do for my everyday routine, and this is really quick and optional, you don't have to do this, but I wanted to show you just because this is what I do. So I'm gonna be color correcting, and actually first we're gonna prime the face. So I'm gonna be using my everyday primer that I use, and this is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and this is one that I've used a lot as well in my videos. I swear by it. It's great, it's affordable, and it's really magical. It honestly, you only need a little bit and it gets rid of all those pores in the problem areas. So I put maybe this much on my hand, and I just go ahead and I put it in the places on my face where I have big pores, and that's usually just right here. So I like to move in a downwards motion. I find that that's the most effective way to apply this product and to get rid of the pores. So I don't know, you guys probably can't really tell, but it is really getting rid of those pores. So this is just a really nice and easy way to prime the face and to make it really nice and poreless. So that's it. And then we're gonna go into color correct. This product is from L'Oreal, another really nice quality and affordable product. This is the Infallible Total Cover Color Correcting Palette, and this is what it looks like. I usually tend to stick with this orange color and the green color for my everyday routines. The green color is gonna really help cancel out all the redness. So I'll just show you guys how I apply this. I just put a little bit on my finger like that. And for the green color, I tend to concentrate it around my nose because that's where I do have a lot of redness. And you only have to apply a thin layer, and it really does do the trick. It really cancels out. I don't know if you guys can tell already, the redness has gone away. And then I just go over my blemishes. So this is kind of like spot concealing. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in and color correct my under eyes. This is another problem area that I have. I'm gonna go in with this, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that orange color, and this is gonna cancel out any any darknesses that you have. So I just go in a light layer and kind of apply it almost like concealer. And this is a really cool step because it's gonna prevent you from having to use a lot of concealer to get rid of those dark areas. So I do this first, and then when I do put my concealer, I'll have to put a little bit because I've got rid of most of the darkness prior. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the color correcting. It's really simple, nothing too crazy, and again, it's optional. The next part, we are going to apply foundation, and I'm going to be using my staple foundation that I've been truly loving and fallen in love with. So I am using the famous Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. This is the 24-hour foundation, and I am in the shade 220, and that is natural beige. This is what it looks like for any of you who haven't picked this one up. I really recommend it. I think it's $11 around, and it's literally like, I can't even explain it. It's like I'm using a high-end foundation. It's really amazing, and I only need one pump, so that's what it looks like there. The consistency is pretty thick and not runny, and then I just use a damp beauty blender to blend this all in. So here we go. And that's it. It took me literally 30 seconds to put all this product on around my face. Quick and easy, and literally does the trick. Full coverage, amazing finish, and I just love it for every day. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to conceal. The two products that I'm going to be using today to conceal is the Maybelline Fit Me concealers. I have one in the shade 15, which is also called Fair Clair, and the other one is in the shade 20, which is also called Sand Sable, and this is what they look like. This is another one of these products that I use in almost all my videos, and I swear by. I just love them. They never let me down, and yeah, you should definitely pick these up. Affordable and really great quality. So first color I'm going to be using today is Sand Sable, and this one I'm just going to be applying just under my eyes. You don't need to go crazy. We're just kind of covering up the color correcting and just kind of concealing the under eye. And then the next color I'm going to be using is the lighter shade. This is in the shade Fair Clair, and I'm going to focus this right into the center of my eye, sorry, the inner corner of my eye here. And this is going to help brighten up the eye, especially in the morning when you're going to work and you're tired and you really need some help in the eye area. And then I'm just going to be taking this and putting it over my eye and covering up all the redness in my eyelid. And you can also take this to any other spot in your face that you want to conceal, but for my everyday, I like to just keep it simple, just do above my eyes and under my eyes. So firstly, I'm going to start by blending in over my eyes. So just taking a damp beauty blender and blending this all in. I forgot to mention to you guys, I did end up doing my eyebrows off camera, and I was using this is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Black. This is what it looks like. This is what I've been using lately, and I love it. Drugstore, affordable, so it's great. And honestly, I didn't show it on camera because I really don't do much. I was blessed with thick eyebrows, so all I do is just line underneath and then just fill in any of the gaps that I may have. Okay, and then we're gonna blend underneath the eyes. And it is that simple. So today we're gonna set the face with another one of my staple products, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Fair Clair, and that's what it looks like. I've used this in almost all my videos and I love it. So we're gonna be using this today to set the face. This step is super important because this is what's gonna help you set the face, first of all. Secondly, make you oil-free all day and every day. So this is a really great product, and I'm just gonna be applying this with my beauty sponge. So firstly, I'm gonna be taking it underneath my eyes, and then just kind of taking it down my nose because I do get very oily on the sides of my nose. We're not really baking, we're just applying it into the skin. So I'm just taking a good amount and just pushing it into the skin until it kind of like disappears and blends. Just like that. And then we're gonna do the other side. And this really helps with creasing, makes you creaseless and just look kind of like filtered underneath the eyes, which is very cool. So I really recommend this product as well. All of these products that I'm using today are products that, again, I use every day, and I do recommend for anyone out there who doesn't want to spend $1 million on makeup but wants to look good. So I do recommend all these products that I'm using. Again, bringing it down my nose. I do get very oily around my nose area, so I make sure that I put enough product in there. Okay, and then we're gonna go in and set under the, overneath.
Wow.
We're gonna go and set above the eyes. So just taking, again, the Beauty Blender, putting a little bit of product on there, and then just setting it so you don't have any creases up here. So what you wanna do, make sure you do before you do set your concealer anywhere on your face, you wanna make sure that you go in with the Beauty Blender and you kinda blend it again, because you don't want to set any creases, because then you're just gonna have powder and creases on your eyes. So just set it and then, blend it and then set it right away. Okay, and then we're gonna go and set the whole face. All right, next step, we are going to contour. Today I'm gonna be using my E.L.F. Dual Palette. This is in St. Lucia, and so it's really great. It's a dual palette, and so that you have your contour color and you also have your blush. And super natural and really nice to use. I really like this one for my everyday. It's quick, it's in one palette, and you don't have to worry about getting a bunch of products together. So that's another staple of mine to use every day. I'm just gonna be using this E.L.F. highlighter brush. I've been loving to use this for my contour. So what I do is I go ahead and just contour the face a little bit, nothing too crazy. So I'm just gonna dip into this contour shade here. And I'm just gonna go in and just kind of trace out where I want that contour. You're kind of moving it across and then also blending upwards so that you kind of lift the cheeks a little bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my forehead. And for this one, I'm just starting up here and I'm kind of pushing the product into my hairline. And then I'm really gonna do a very general nose contour. I like to contour my nose, but for every day when I'm in a rush, I just use this technique and it's been working for me. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of product on the tip of this brush here and going into that darker shade here again. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just trace down my nose this way. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the same contour shade, the dark shade here, but I'm gonna go in with my, this is the Real Techniques multitask brush, and I'm just gonna go in and do a general bronzing application, so we're not going to be as precise as we were with the contour. Okay, then we're going to go into some blush. I'm going to be using that same E.L.F brush. I'm just putting some product on here, and we're just going to add some blush to the face, just give us some color. Okay, next step, we're gonna set everything, and this is a really important part because this is what's gonna help blend all of the powders and liquids together and just make one super flawless finish. So today I'm gonna be using my MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus spray, and this is actually the only non-drugstore product that I have, but by all means you can use any spray that you have. It doesn't have to be MAC or any high-end spray. And I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my whole face. Okay, and then for the last step, we are almost done, guys. We are gonna highlight a little bit because I can't leave the house without some kind of highlight. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I do for my highlight really quick. We are gonna be using today the It's My Ray Ray palette by BH Cosmetics. This one in here is really great because it has your eyeshadows and also has your contour and highlight colors. So today I'm going to be going in with this color right here, and this is the shade Radiant. That's really pretty for an everyday, not too much. I like to spray my face first so that the highlight really sticks into the into my face. So today I'm going to be trying a new technique. I'm going to actually be going in with my beauty blender, and all I'm going to be doing is dabbing this in to the highlight and just dabbing it in here, the high points of my face here. Again, this is an everyday look and a work look or a school look, so we want it to be as natural and as seamless as possible. This is so they know that you're not playing. When they see the highlight, they know you're not playing. You're not messing around. Okay, don't take me. I'm just kidding. All right, so this is the end, guys. That's it. That's really all I used. I really wanted to take this opportunity to show you guys my staple products that I use for my everyday routine. I really wanted to keep it simple and focus on one part of the face. Today was obviously my foundation routine, my skin routine, how to be glowy and flawless and full coverage without a lot of effort and a lot of, you know, fancy high-end products. Again, these are all drugstore products. They are all affordable, and I recommend every single product that I used in this tutorial today. So yeah. Okay, you guys, we made it. This is the end of the tutorial, and this is the final product. I hope you guys were able to follow along. I hope it was pretty simple for you guys. I also hope that you were able to take some of these products that I used today and put them on your grocery list. So next time you go to a drugstore or Walmart or wherever you can find these products, you really do pick these up because these are staples in my makeup routine and in my makeup bag. So thank you so much again for watching my videos. It really means the world to me and I appreciate it. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And as always, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.